Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to sell Shopify products on YouTube. Did you know you can sell Shopify products when you're live streaming on YouTube? If you're a YouTuber who wants to make money from your channel, this video is exactly what you need. This video is also perfect for e-commerce business owners who want to spread the word about their company and make sales. I'm going to show you how to use your YouTube channel, including live streams, to show off your branded products in a variety of ways. What is live stream shopping? The best way that I can describe it is basically it's like, remember QVC or like the shopping network? It's basically that, but make it social media. And seriously guys, you're going to see demos like this here or limited time offers like this as well. And I mean, that's one way to do it, but you don't have to make it completely salesy. In fact, most of the time you shouldn't. But we'll talk about how you can format your live streams in just a second. As far as what you can sell on your live streams, as an influencer, you can partner with another brand and sell their products for a small commission. But if you're a merchant and you have your own products, did you know that you can connect your own Shopify store directly to YouTube and use YouTube live streaming as a really great opportunity to sell your products? YouTube shopping feeds. So who's this going to be right for? If you're a creator or a merchant and you have a YouTube channel and you want to sell products, this is going to be right for you. But you don't have to be an influencer. Say you're a YouTube shopping platform that manages products of creators, then this is going to be right for you as well. To promote your products across YouTube, your channel must meet these minimum requirements. First, you must be a member of the YouTube Partner Program. And secondly, your channel must meet the subscriber threshold for the YouTube Partner Program, and your channel audience cannot be set to as made for kids, and your channel cannot have significant number of videos that are set to as made for kids. And of course, your channel cannot have received any hate speech, community guideline strikes. So if you meet all these requirements, you can apply for YouTube Shopping Access. To do this, go to YouTube Studio and click on the Monetization tab. Then scroll down to the Shopping section and click on the Apply button. Once you applied, YouTube will review your channel just to make sure that it meets all of the eligibility requirements. And if your channel is approved, you'll be able to start using YouTube Live Shopping to promote and sell products directly from your Shopify store. But before you start hitting record, there is a YouTube recommended timeline that you're going to want to be aware of. I got you. So 4 weeks before your live stream, you want to onboard YouTube Shopping. This onboarding requires you to upload your live stream products into the Merchant Center. Then you're going to fix any amount and product issues at least 2 weeks before. So you might have some product issues that are violating shopping policies, and we don't want that. So be aware of any of those before you go live. Whether or not you're comfortable with hosting live streams, it is always a good idea to run a test with an unlisted live stream 1 week prior, just so that you can get familiar with the new product tagging experiences. And if this is your first time hearing about tagging, no worries. Just visit the YouTube Help Center to learn more about tagging products in your live streams. And then 72 hours before the live stream, you want to make sure that you're not making any feed changes. You want your products to be working and shoppable. So this includes no changes to the landing page and the image. Making changes may cause products to get approved, and then they can be taggable in your live stream. We don't want that, right? Connecting your YouTube into your Shopify. So once you're approved, you're going to need to connect your YouTube to your Shopify account. To connect your YouTube account to your Shopify store in order to use YouTube Live Shopping, you're going to want to follow these steps. Number 1, sign in to your YouTube Studio. Click on the Monetization tab, scroll down to the Shopping section, and click on the Connect Store button. Select Shopify from the list of available sales channels. Click on the Continue button, and then you'll be redirected to the Shopify login page. Enter your Shopify login credentials, and then of course, click on the login button. I hope you got that one on your own. Once you've logged in, Shopify will ask you to grant your YouTube permission to access your store data. So click on the Allow button, and then you'll be redirected back to your YouTube Studio. Your Shopify store will now be connected to your YouTube channel. Once your Shopify store is connected to your YouTube channel, you can start using YouTube Live Shopping to promote and sell products from your store. So to do this, follow these steps. Go to the YouTube Studio and click on the Create button. Select Go Live from the list of options. Enter the live streaming settings section, scroll down to the Shopping section, and toggle on the Enable Shopping switch. Select your Shopify store that you want to sell your products from. Click on the Start Stream button to start your live shopping event, and you're off to the races. So how should you format your live stream? Well, first things first, content is content. Whether it's a live stream or YouTube Shorts or TikTok, you always need to think about why the viewer would stay for your content. Are you being totally yourself and hilarious? Are you maybe informing your audience about a highly anticipated collection they've just dropped? Adding value is so important to keep people hooked and tune in. Now, the last thing I want to say is that I know this can be really scary, especially the first time you do it or the first few times. But just remember to be yourself and have fun with it. If you mess up and make a mistake, literally no one's going to remember in the next minute, let alone the next day. So just have fun. Don't be afraid to try something new. And I want to know in the comment section how it turned out for you guys. Best of luck. Before we end this video, start your ecom store in 10 minutes flat. Create your own high-converting ecom store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere. Hundreds of ready-made plug-and-play templates. Easy to use, no-code ecom store builder. Dozens of payment gateways from around the world. Sell anywhere without restrictions. No profit sharing or charges per order. Create breathtaking sale pages for your products. Powerful analytics inbuilt, and a lot more. ShopFunnels is all you need to set up your ecom store. So what are you waiting for? Get ShopFunnels now. Just go to getshopfunnels.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.